Hello, today you will learn how to make this nice floral tape lace. It will be nice for borders, for crochet ending, or for any kind of project you wish to make. Let's start and make it together. For the work I will use crochet hook 1.7 and crochet yarn 50 grams 140 meters. Start with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join into the ring with slip stitch. Ready? Now make 3 chain to bring up the yarn and work into the ring. Make 2 double crochet. Ready? Now make 3 chain arch, 2, 3, and make 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. This will be our central line. Now we will make a side. 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and now join into the ring. Put the hook under these 2 loops and make slip stitch. Now we can turn our work and we will make 3 petals in this tiny ring. 3 chain to bring up the yarn, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and make 2 unfinished double crochet. We have 3 loops on a hook, yarn over, work through all 3 loops at once. 1, 2, 3 chain, slip stitch into the ring. The first petal is ready. Now we will make 2 more petals exactly the same way. 3 chain, puff stitch, 3 chain, slip stitch into the ring, move petals, and last one, 1, 2, 3 chain, another double crochet cluster into this small ring, and 3 chain, slip stitch into the small ring. Ready. Now to get into the central arch we need to make slip stitches. Insert the hook into the double crochet of the center and make 2, 3 and 4 slip stitches. Ready. Again 3 chain to bring up the yarn, 2 double crochet into the arch, 3 chain arch to make new one, and 3 double crochet into the same arch. 1, 2 and 3. Ready? Now we will make exactly the same little flower right over here. Chain 4, join into the ring under these 2 loops, slip stitch, turn our work and continue exactly the same way. 3 chain, puff stitch into the ring, 3 chain, slip stitch into the ring to finish the first petal, 3 chain to bring up the yarn and make the second petal. chain 3, slip stitch into the ring, and the second petal is ready. Move and make the third one. Chain 3, 2 unfinished double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the ring, ready. Now make slip stitches to get the center of the arch. 1, 2, 3, and force into the arch. And again, chain 3, 2 double crochet into the central arch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, join with a slip stitch, turn our work, and continue exactly the same way. Flower over here, flower over there, and our direction will go this way. Continue till you needed length. I crocheted several wrappers, and that's how it looked like. From the face side and from the wrong side, it's all the same. I attached bottom and I made 4 single crochet on the top arch to make sure it's secure enough. And it will be a nice and beautiful bracelet. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your comments and likes. Thank you. Bye bye.